Welcome to Expert SEM, Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing System. In this session, we are going to see a term called expert system. An expert system is a computer program that uses AI technologies to simulate the judgment and behavior of a human or an organization that has expert knowledge and experience in a particular field. Typically, an expert system incorporates a knowledge base containing accumulated experience and an inference or rules engine, a set of rules for applying the knowledge base to each particular situation that is described to the program. The system capability can be enhanced with the addition to the knowledge base or to the set of rules. Current system may include machine learning capability that allow them to improve their performance based on experience just as humans do. The concept of expert system was first developed in the 1970s by Edward Feigenbaum, professor and founder of Knowledge System Laboratory at Stanford University. He explained that the world was moving from data processing to knowledge processing, a transition which was being enabled by new processor technology and computer architectures. Expert systems have played a large role in many industries, including in financial services, telecom, communications, healthcare, customer service, transportation, video gaming, manufacturing, aviation, and return communication. Two early expert systems broke ground in healthcare space for medical diagnosis: Dendral, which helped chemists identify organic module, and Mycin, which helped to identify bacteria such as bacteremia and to recommend antibiotics and dosages. A more recently developed expert system, ROSE, is an artificial intelligence attorney based on IBM's Watson cognitive computing system. ROS relies on self-learning systems that use data mining, pattern recognition, deep learning, and natural language processing to mimic the way the human brain works. Expert system and the AI system have evolved so far that they have spurred debate about the fate of humanity in the face of such intelligence, with pondering if computing power has surpassed our ability to control them. Thanks for watching. Bye.